nangyari ito, ganito yung naging bidding? Paano nangyari na ganito ang naging pagbigay ng kontrata? How did this evolve? Dahil nung sa experience ko sa local governments, experience ko sa legislature, hindi naman ganito. Ngayon lang we have to find out how this happened and what are the changes that we need to make so that we make this into an inflection point in terms of how government does its business, and to make sure that the funds that belong to the people are well spent and properly spent to the advantage of all of us, to the advantage of the economy, to the advantage of those who are in danger areas. So that is why the 10-year period. Those are the two reasons, basically, why the 10-year period was specified. To go further, we are actually now, since we have canceled all flood control projects for 2026, those savings, we already put a menu. Kaya para nga, unang-una, kahit na for the budget na sinusulat ngayon, kailangan na maliwanag na mapupunta sa tamang lugar. And so we have made a menu for our legislators to follow and say that all insertions, all changes made can only be made to the benefit of these agencies here. We'll give you this. You can take a picture now, but we will give you a proper image. And they basically cover education, agriculture, health, housing, infra, ICT, labor, social, energy. Pero ibang nature nito. So that is the first step that we are taking. The other step that I was a little surprised to find out was that kapag tinanggal na yung rule na dati na kapag may project ang national government sa isang LGU, pagtapos na yung project, kailangan i-accept nung mayor, kailangan i-accept
Yan yung sinasabi ko, mga kababayan.
Barangay captain, kailangan tatanggapin niya, titignan nila. And this is an important safeguard dahil pagka nasa LGU ka, hindi mo naman pinakikitaan yung project. Kaya ang maliwanag, titignan to talaga na tama na yung kalsada, 8 inches talaga yung konkreto. Pagka may asphalt overlay, makapal talaga yung asphalt overlay. Yung flood control, lahat yan. And so I have instructed the DPWH, and for that matter, all of the departments to return that. Tinanggal in the last administration yan, yung acceptance. Alala ko ng governor ako, walang natatapos na, walang pwedeng sabihin completed kung hindi accepted ng local government. Babalik natin yun. Tinanggal nila in the last administration. We are putting it back because that is one of the best safeguards.
Nako po, mga kababayan, last administration daw tinanggal ito, mga kababayan ko, na kung saan itong para masuri itong mga project or flood control or itong paggawa ng kalsada, last administration pala tinanggal ito, mga kababayan ko. Kaya siguro na mayagpag itong pangungurakot ng mga ilang politiko na sabwat po rito, mga kababayan ko, or dawit dito sa pag-iimbestiga ng or iimbestigahan ng independent commission, mga kababayan. 'Di ba? Kasi sabi nga ni BBM dito, from barangay, sa barangay captain, kapitan, or etong mayor at congressman, ay sila mismo ang mag-check ng mga project na ito, kung ito ba ay maanomalya or hindi, or may ghost project ba dyan, or tama ba ang pagkagawa, mga kababayan ko. 'Di ba? Kaya napakaganda nito, mga kababayan ko. Matindi itong isiniwalat ni BBM, na talagang dapat ay makita ito ng taong bayan, mga kababayan ko. Grabe ito, mga kababayan ko. Please like, share at comment po kayo, mga kababayan. Pakinggan pa natin to.
So that is essentially the situation as it stands.